Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Armin and here is coffee time. Today I'm going to start new project which is I say box and envelope development of management, or you say depot management, and that is something like this. Let me explain uh, what's the point and what I mean by box and envelope management. The point is like this. uh, First of all, this application is going to be used as offline in three departments: start department, extract, control, and outgoing. What I mean by this four department, that's really simple. Let's imagine we have a department and we receive the boxes. But inside of each box there are numbers of envelope here. Start department will receive this box, scan the barcode. Each box contains a unique barcode. What I mean by unique, the barcodes are very unique because this box is coming with the barcode, for example X in, and when it's finished and the job is done, it's going out with the same barcode. And envelopes also contain with the same barcode, not the same barcode as here, but unique barcode which is just very unique. When the boxes are received, then it's going to the next department, which is extract. Okay, extract wanna say now we want to see and we want to check and we want to scan the envelopes which is inside. Okay, and when that job is done, this box with all envelopes goes to the next department, which is control. Here we want to control and check envelopes for a specific task. It can be, for example, I don't know, digitalize something or some preparation work. We don't know about that. We receive that and we just save it, and at the end, when these three phases are done, box is going to be prepared to go back where it's coming from with the same barcode. Okay, here in this process, here is maybe between the phase control and outgoing is coming other phase, which is fault. Maybe there is some fault between that packages, and we want also to know that, maybe. Okay, and let me go now to structure of application, which is here. First of all, we have Microsoft Identity here, but here I have added some other stuff here. First one is staff name, and the second one is a badge number. What's the badge number? Badge number is a unique barcode which that staff is be able to open the doors with that barcode. I will show how to generate that barcode and how that mechanism to open the doors works. Okay, and for that, if I'm now running application for a while here, let's go to the registration. For example, I say log out. If I'm coming now in registration page, we see that we have a staff name also here. Okay, but badge number gonna be set by administration. A user cannot set that badge number. Okay, badge number is also something unique because contains information. Okay, for these things to add manually things to identity user, just here inherit identity user, pass your things here, variables what you need, and then I'm going here to areas, registration. These are this identity package is just scaffold by as default. I'm going to register here. First of all, this is the register class of default Microsoft Identity, and this is the class which that here input model is the class which they use to make a user. But here let me check here. I have added that staff name also in input model, which we use to to make a user. Let's check it out here. For example, see staff name and badge number are also here. Now let's go back to here. Okay, staff name also added here, and the method which we makes users is here. I mean here. And here we say, okay, user is equal to new application user, and here we pass that staff name here. Voila, gets the job done. And now let's close this one also. Okay, let's go back to our application. Let's imagine the bugs are coming. The boxes are coming in, and we want, for this job, for this specific job, we need speed, just a speed and just easy to work, because we need also this thing, barcode scanner, for this job. You scan the things and voila, very fast, very easy. And yeah, let's go here. Here is receive point. Receive point, first of all, let me show you my controllers and what happened here behind the scene. I have here receive controller. I have here a receive controller which contains some endpoint here. Okay, here first of all we have just this simple, this is my DB context, and here is just constructor here, and the first endpoint is receive boxes. We want to receive boxes, scan the boxes, and voila, that's registered in our system. We get that box. Okay, the second method wanna be get all boxes. I need to get all boxes, just get all boxes. Okay, here we receive all boxes, and here order them by descending in the type of just a list, and we order them by date. Okay, and here other controller wants to check. This is for the second page. They say check or the box exists. Okay, we have here a controller which is return true or false, and we want to check or that box is received. Okay, but I'm going now explain this for controller for the next page which is coming. Okay, here let's imagine barcode is FFF, and let me go to the receive point page, which is where is it? Here start point. Let me receive point. Where is receive point? Where is that? Shared. It should go there in pages. Oh yeah, oh my god. Okay, this should go to that the folder. I will make it later. Okay, receive point is here, just receive point, and here we have a form. The date, income date wanna be read only and filled up automatically, and login user is that stuff which is working on that boxes and the time. Okay, and here we have a list to show current scan boxes, and we have just receive box and list of receive boxes here, and here just we handle that form, and we post that data to the controller which you saw now. After that, just we empty the form, and again date and time and stuff user. Let's go back here. For example, I have a books barcode like F. Okay, now we have box with the barcode of FFF. Like example, if the barcode never wanna be something like FFF, that's a unique one, you know about it. Okay, FFF is now in our database as receive point. Okay, it say that box is received here inside, and here is just a structure of a receive point. Okay, FFF and where is the box. We want to track where is the box, and for that we say okay, the box is somewhere here. A box cannot be at the same time in two departments, in one department at the same time. Okay, and now let's imagine all boxes are scanned here, and now when here all the boxes scanned, we have to make a mechanism to say, hey database, this box is done and goes to the next department, which is extract. Okay, for this one what we do, okay, let's imagine extract department wanna work and extract that box to check inside. Okay, here is this. First of all, let me go to extract, which is envelope extract. Has envelope barcode, box barcode. Where is envelope? Is any problem with envelope? Receive box ID, which is for the previous table. Stuff and date and time. Okay, let's go back to controller. Let's imagine here the box, which was what was the name of the box here. Let's imagine we put some invalid box. Okay, for this mechanism we want first of all check receive point database, or see this box is valid, For that I'm going back to my controller here and I say okay, check it's start from here, check or the box exists. Okay, for that I receive here the barcode, and I'm going to call my database to check if that barcode is there. If it's true, it say okay, the box is just valid box, and go further. After that I have other controller which is get box ID by barcode. I will just get the ID, which is this one, ID in my database by barcode. I need to retrieve ID by barcode. Okay, and here is very easy, just box ID. I say the call first one which this condition met. As we know, the box barcode is something unique. We know that just voila, if that is not null, box ID just is equal to receive box ID and return that box ID to me. This is integer, is return just integer. And I have other controller endpoint here, which is save envelope. Now we want to save them, and just that is very easy. We save that with the post method. And the next one is a edit receive box location, because the box when a box start to be extract, is not anymore in a start point, is now in extract department. And here we say just very easy, we get that back just here with the ID, just, and then we say okay, just edit department of the first receive point box to extract. This is this endpoint. And the last one is a get box by ID. I just call database and retrieve that whole object, and is return receive box. Okay, now let's go back to my extract razor, which is just again a form, very easy, nothing special there. And here is this, for example, first of all, this is an invalid box, because this box doesn't exist in my database. An envelope barcode like this. When I say okay, this is just invalid box, because this box is not in the previous phase. Okay, is not there, and that's why my application won't accept it, because that is invalid. Where this box is coming from? Okay, box is invalid. Okay, this is in the case of box invalid, and where that happens here, I'm going to check first of all on click when user wants to save that data in database. I say okay, first of all we check that endpoint, is that exist or not. Okay, if that is not exist, invalid box, that's this case. But in the case of valid box, which let's imagine, okay, now that box is valid. Okay, now that box is valid, and now when that is valid, I need to get box ID by barcode. Okay, I send a call to that endpoint to get and receive box ID. Okay, when I get that box ID, here I'm going to save envelope with that box ID in my database, which is let me here, for example, here when I receive that ID, I will save it in my database. Okay, say this envelope with this barcode contains to that box, which is this one. Okay, and now I will show you live. Where is extract? Here. And then when that is saved, when that object, which is X, and I fill it again here, when that is saved, and now we want to change when the first box is ticked with barcode scanner. Now we want also to change the department location of the very first box. Then we know where is that. Okay, here we say, okay, we get that we get that box again with box number, because we have endpoint get box by ID. Okay, I have the box ID here, box ID which is here, and now I call to database and I get that whole object back here, and I say, okay, location of very first box is now department extract, and now just edit it. Okay, now let's go back here. Let's imagine I have saved now a data here in my box, which was FFF. Okay, FFF is a valid box here. Okay, where is the box? Box is 0, mean there is the first department, because 0 here is enum start. 0 is start one. Okay, and now where is it? Here, the box. Here the box is now scanned by this stuff, and that is the date. Is box finished? I have to. This is the box finished to go out. This is gonna be true. We change this variable or data in very last phase when the box should go out or return where it's coming from. Okay, and here is where is the box 0, and voila, this is now at the time a valid box. And now let's go there. This is just extract department. Okay, and now they want to start to scan. For example, I say box barcode is FFF, and the first envelope is just KKK. Let's click it. Now I will make a notification here. Now let's go to our database. Okay, here first of all, here is just let me see, I have to check it here. Let me come back here. Check here. Okay, the box envelope barcode was SKK. Where is envelope? Envelope is now in the department 1, which is extract. Okay, and now receive box ID is 27, which is here 27. The box FFF receive box ID was 27. Okay, box is 27. Staff who scanned this is this, and box barcode is just FFF. And now look at this. Amazing. This is just amazing. Okay, like this we scan further, and when it's finished we do exact the same process to go to the next phase. Okay, and in other phases some other things also will happen there. Okay, and voila, this is just amazing things. Just here, we change department, and this department where is the box because the box when coming in, for example, let's imagine a box comes in with 20 envelope in, all with unique barcode, and when we want to send it back, the barcode remains the same because that barcode contains maybe private information or information about the depot where it's coming from, or very unique, very specific information. We don't know, we cannot read them, we can just only scan them. Okay, we don't know if for example we scan in our department, say barcode FFF, we don't know what's information in that FFF, but the sender, where the box is coming from, they know what's exactly inside of that barcode and what information contains. Okay, this is the first part. It's gonna be 5 part, and I'm telling you, this is a very reality project, which you see, this is just a real project. Okay, this was yeah, this is just real project. I'm not going to explain it anymore. This is the first part, and the source code of this application will be available in my GitHub. For that, let me commit it here, and if I'm not wrong, I'm going here to my repository. This is at the time public. You can go there and download or whatever you want to do it, and I'm going to update this one. And guys, have a nice day. See you in next.